Shriman Sehgal. I work for these children of God whom we call animals, and for Mother Nature, and for the most destitute and vulnerable, in the name of my grandparents, parents, teachers, and all my loved ones. I have been blessed with great teachers in my life, that too from Maharashtra, and I Charan Sparsh, that place, Maharashtra, which has blessed me with great teachers, Shri B.K.S. Iyengar, Guruji, and other teachers from the university, Pune University. Now, this is our home area which we have given on rent. Since I have given a complaint against the neighbors and the tenants regarding cruelty of animals, they have been harassing us time and again. Illegal parking, anti-social people have been doing out here, and to sabotage the work I do, alcohol bottles have been thrown in this cement cone. Now you see, these children drink this water, be it a cow, bull or anyone, or these dogs. So when they drink the alcohol water, what will happen? They'll do something and then they will say the dog has done something, the animal has done something, and then they will blame. So the animal cannot fight for itself. This is the way they are harassing. And also, a naked man entered. Now, since I am a student of Shri B.K.S. Iyengar, to do Guruji's Badnami also, a naked man entered the home doing some yoga or something, to sabotage. So these tenants don't want that we should do anything. They will mentally harass, cause us lot of problem, so that we can't do a normal work. Every night, late in the night, 2 o'clock, early morning, Amrit Vela, 3 o'clock, I used to go to do the feeding, which I am not able to do because they are threatening to harm my children time and again. And because I have given a complaint against the neighbors, you see, the BMC people are not picking up the garbage. I have to request them time and again. And why should I request? Because I have adopted and rescued many community animals to prevent cruelty and to stop corruption. They have been harassing. Now, our home, everything will be put to good work. In the name of my parents, grandparents, teachers, Shri B.K.S. Iyengar Guruji, and all these children of God, Mother Nature, and all my loved ones. Now, I want justice, and all the damage they have done. They have sexually traumatized me, done lot of defamation, character assassination, everything. And the home which we have given on rent also, it was in ruins. It was infested by termites and all. My mother had to put so much of money, and they have caused me so much of problem because I am a single woman. My mother also is a single, because she is a single parent. They have been harassing us so much, and this can happen to anyone, single man or woman. This is our home. Whatever we want, we will do. We'll make it a Gurdwara in our grandparents' name, because of them I got my father, because of them I got my mother. So everything, a Gurdwara in the name of these children of God, in the name of my grandparents, parents, my teachers, all my loved ones. I want justice.